and welcome back to my channel Aviation Mentors. And in today's video guys, we will continue our topic of change in latitude and change in longitude. So today I'm going to discuss a few important things with you guys. The first thing that we will be talking about today is the back case of the earth. Now, back case of the earth, what is the back case of the earth and how to solve the question which are related to the back case of the earth. Now understand one thing guys, that your back case of the earth is only related to your longitude, your change in longitude, which is known as your Shillong. Why? Because we have longitude from 180 degree west to 180 degree east. Okay. Now, apart from talking about the back case of the earth, the second thing that we will talk about, if the time permit, is how to solve the change in latitude and change in longitude question using your scientific calculator. Okay, so after these two things, our topic of change in latitude and change in longitude will be done. And apart from these, then we will be talking about your great circle distance, and we will be talking about your rhumb line distance, and we will be discussing some special cases which will be there in your examination. Okay, so let's just start with the back case of the earth and let us see what do I mean by the back case of the earth. So guys, first of all, see, this is a earth. I'm just drawing a earth for you. Okay, now okay, let us just do one thing. Let us just drop an image here. So I'm gonna take the same image, this one. Yeah, this looks good. Okay, so have a look here guys. So this is the earth. So this is the front face of the earth. Right now the earth is circular. Now we can only see the front face of the earth. By what I mean, see, this is my north, this is my south, this is my west, and this is my east. So on the front face of the earth, what maximum, if you are a person and you're standing here, what you can see is the front face. So I'm going to write it down here. This is the front face of the earth, and the maximum longitude that we are talking about on the front face is 90 degree. So here it is 90 degree east and this is 90 degree west. But if you move backwards in this direction, what longitude you will get? You will be getting your 100 degree east longitude line, then you will be getting your 120 degree east longitude line, similarly 130 degree east longitude line, and similarly up till when you will reach 180 degree east longitude, which is nothing but your 0 degree or 360 degree. Okay, similarly if you go behind the earth on the east side, sorry guys, this was the west, these all are the west. So 100 degree west, 120 degree west, 180 degree west, and so on. Similarly, if you go backwards on the east side guys, you will have the same thing, right? You will be having a 100 degree east longitude, then you will be having a 120 degree east longitude, 130 degree east longitude, so and up till you reach 180, which is nothing but your 360. Because see, 180 this side, just a second, I'm going to erase this and I will draw it with a different color. So have a look here. You will the concept should be clear. So if you go on the west side 180 degree and you go east side on the 180 degree, the total is your 360 degree. Okay, so now these longitude that I'm talking about, we cannot see on the front face of the earth because this is a 2D image we are drawing, we are able to see at the moment. So let us just draw the back case. How does the back case look? So guys, now if you flip the earth means like turn the earth. Suppose you are flipping it like this. So have a look here. Let me just draw a circle for you. All right, so now guys, see, we are going to draw the back case of the earth. So this is just for your understanding. I'm going to tell you the formula to solve the back case of the earth, but this is just to have a clear understanding of the concept. So now this is my north, this is my south. All right, now I'm not going to draw the west and east, okay, because I'm going to explain you which direction is west and which direction is east. So now guys, suppose this is my just a second. All right, so this is the equator. All right, now we are going to draw some longitude. So north and south, north and south, north and south. So I have told you the longitude or the meridians are the line which join north to south. Okay, so I'm just drawing some meridian. All right, so this is north to south, north to south. All right, so these are some of the meridians which I have drawn. Okay, let me just draw one more each side. So here and here. Okay, now guys, see the back case of the earth. What do I mean by the back case? I'm gonna take up a different color. Let's just take, okay, let's just take this one. All right, now have a look guys. This was your 90 degree. Okay, this particular was your 90 degree. Now if you move from 90 degree guys, the next longitude will be your 100 degree. Same, it will be your 120 degree, it will be your 130 degree, it will be your 140 degree, then you will be having a 150 degree, then you will be having a 160 degree. Understood? And then the last one will come again, which will be your 00 degree, or you can say your 000 degree, or you can say this one will be your 360 degree, which is your prime meridian. All right, so let me just expand this a bit for you. But if I expand, okay, this one will do. I hope you guys can see clearly. Similarly, on this side guys, you will be having your this one will be your 90 degree, and then again this will be a 100 degree, this one will be a 120 degree, this one will be a 130 degree, this one will be a 140 degree, and similarly this one will be your, let's say, 150 degree, this one will be a 150 degree, and again this will come down to be 360 degree or 00. So guys, this particular face is known as the back case. Now understand one thing. In the above, if I scroll up, you see this was your west and this was your east. But now if I flip the earth, if I flip the earth, it will change guys. The north south, now this one direction will be your east and this will be your west side. Okay, because you have flipped the earth, the north south will remain same. So I'm writing it down guys, you can fare it down up in your notebook. This is known as your back case of the earth. Now how to solve the question which is related to the back case, I hope you understand this. Let me just add an image for you guys so that you understand it more clearly. Okay, so yeah, this image, have a look here. Just so that for the better understanding of you, I have downloaded this particular image. Have a look here guys. This is like this, you can see if you are moving. So I'm going to take up a different color marker out here. If you're moving on the east side, this is your 90 degree, and then 120, 150, 180 degree on the east side. Okay, this is the east side. So let me just take up a darker shade. All right, this one will do. And if we move on to the west side, similarly 90 degree, 120 degree, 150, and we have 180 degree. So this is this particular side, this one is your front side, and what we have done is the back side, the rest part of the earth we have drawn like this so that you understand it easily. Okay, so don't worry, what we'll do is, if you don't understand at the moment, I'm gonna take up an example so that you guys have a better understanding. So let us just do one example to clear the doubts, and I will tell you the exact formula also how to solve these questions. See, if they give, first of all, I'm going to just take up a simple question for better understanding. So suppose if they ask you to calculate the change of longitude, okay, change of longitude between 165 degree east to 175 degree west. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll up. So we have to go from 165 degree east to 175 degree west. So I go come up to this diagram. Now guys, see, the question says we have to go from 165 degree east and we have to come to 175 degree west. Now guys, see, 165 degree east longitude will be some, this was 160, so 165 will be somewhere around here, and we will have to go towards 1675 degree west. So actually what we are doing is, just a second guys. All right, so what actually we are doing is we are actually moving from this position, just a second. Yeah, so we are moving from this position to this position. Okay, so this is the position we are moving. Now guys, see, in order to go from 165 degree east to 175 degree west, first of all we have to move 15 degree east. So 15 degree we have to move to come to the prime meridian, or you can say to come to the equator, and from there we just have to move another 5 degree to come to the 175 degree west meridian. So in total guys, we have moved 20 degree. But the most important thing guys, in which every one of you will make a mistake, is in which direction you are moving. So see, I'm gonna draw up a, see, this direction you are moving, right? So now you will say we are moving in the west direction, right? Because we are moving towards west, but this is wrong guys. You are not moving in the west direction. This is the common mistake which everyone do. You are actually moving in the east direction. And why in the east direction? Have a look here guys. See, we have flipped the earth, but the direction does not flip. And I'm gonna draw one image for you, and please just remember this image by heart, and you will never make a mistake in your directions. So see guys, this is your north, this is your south, this is your west, and this is your east. So guys, if you are moving this way, you are always going easterly, and if you're coming this way, you are always moving westerly, no matter the front case of the earth and no matter the back case of the earth. The back case of the earth was just to make you understand that how the longitudes are increasing and going towards the 360 degree, which is your 180 degree east and 180 degree west. But guys, remember one thing, that your direction will remain the same. So in this example, see, we are moving towards this side, right? So I'm going to take up a different color. Okay, so you are moving this side, and this moving this side means we are moving towards the east side. So the answer to this question would be 20-degree east direction. All right. Okay, don't worry. And one more important thing, have it write down in your notebooks, that you can also easily get the change in longitude if it is the back case of the earth by simply adding the two longitude. You just longitude add the two longitude and you just subtract the two longitude from the 360 degree. So 165 plus 175 you add, and you subtract it from 360 degree, and you will still get your answer 20 degree. So this is the another way of getting your change in longitude. Add the two longitude and you subtract it from 360 degree. Okay, so guys, see, in the back case of the earth, I'm going to summarize it for you guys, and you guys have to remember those 2 points. So this was the point number 1, and the point number 2 that I want you to remember, the direction. The direction does not change. Direction does not change in case of back case of earth. What do I mean by this? This will still remain your easterly direction, and this will still remain your westerly direction, guys. It will not change in the back case of the earth. Okay, so these are the 2 points that I want you to remember in the case of back case of the earth, and this is the important diagram. Remember these. This is just to so that you guys can visualize when you get a question in the examination. All right, guys. So understand one thing, what we have done up till now in the Shillong and Shillong, we have seen that in the case of the change of latitude, if we have the north and north and the south and south, we we subtract the two. Okay, we subtract the two, and if we have north and south and north, we add the two. Okay, this was done in the last video. And similarly in the case of Shillong, we know that when we have same east and east and west, obviously we will subtract same as the latitude. And similarly if you have no sorry if you have the just a second, okay, if you have the east and west and east means the different, then you simply add. Okay, and see, you are adding, and in the back case of the earth which was in, see, add the two longitude and subtract it from 360 degree, because it was different, 175 degree east and 165 degree east and 175 degree west. So east and west means add, so you add, and whatever the amount you get, you subtract it from the 360 degree, and you will get your answer. So these are the summarized point, guys. Remember these regarding the Shillong and Shilat, because this is the basic. This will make up your base, and whatever the doubt you have, please comment it down in the comment box. Tell me that if you want any extra thing to be done by me to make you understand better, and like the video, share it with your friends, so that I get motivation to make more video for you guys. Okay, so let's get back to on the topic, and see, all you have to do, guys, is add the remember these points. The point number one, okay, the point number one, point number two, which is the direction does not change. Point number one was you add the two longitude, subtract it from 360, and this was done in the previous video, and you can take this as point number three and point number four, that if it is same, you subtract, if it is different, you add. Same, subtract, different, you add. Okay, so guys, this was all about the back case of the earth. Now let us just go and do some examples, and I will show you how to solve it using your scientific calculator. Now guys, okay, now let us take some example. First I'm gonna take some Shilat example, and then we'll take Shillong, and then we'll mix the both. Okay, so first example, let us take, if you are moving from 52 degree 15 degree north to 39 degree 35-minute north. So guys, see, first of all, what you need to understand is that it is north and north, and I have told you when it is north and north, you need to subtract. Okay, now how to subtract these two terms? So what we're going to do is we are going to open the scientific calculator. So I have downloaded one app. You guys must have your scientific calculator with you. Okay, so this is the scientific calculator, guys. Your scientific calculator will look somewhat like this only. So now, guys, the first coordinate was, so see, what key that you need to look for in the scientific calculator is this one. So I'm gonna just mark that key for you. So guys, this key, if you see this one, the red, which the one I am circling, just a second. All right. uh, okay, so this one, so this key is your degree, minute, and second key. So this is the key which is there in your calculator, which you will be using to solve the Shilat and Shillong question. All right, so now have a look here. So we have 52 degree 15 minutes north. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 52 degree, and then I have 15 minute, I have 15 minute, This was my first coordinate. Okay, now north and north is minus, and then you have 39 degree and 35 minute north. Okay, so your answer will be C. What is your answer? Your answer is 12 degree 40 minutes. So let's go back to the drawing, and the answer will be 12 degree and 40 minute. Now guys, see, you are going from 50 degree north and you are moving towards lower latitude, that is your 39. So which direction you are moving, guys? You are moving towards the south direction. So the proper answer will be 12 degree 40 minutes south. I hope you understand this. Okay, let's do more example. So let's take one example, 23 degree 56 minutes south, and you are moving towards the 13 degree 56 minute north. First see guys, you are moving from south latitude towards the north latitude. So this is your south, this is your 23 degree 56 minutes south, and you are going toward 13 degree 56 minute north. So you are moving in which direction? North direction. Okay, now I have told you that south and north, or north and south, will get add up. So we will add these two and we will get our answer. So let's go back to the scientific calculator guys and have a look here. So now it is your 23 degree 56 minute south, and we will going to add 13 degree and 56 minute north. So the answer will be 37 degree and 52 minutes. So let's go back, 37 degree and 52 minutes. 37 degree and 52 minutes, but in which direction? North direction. So this will be your answer guys. I hope this is clear to you. So let us just take some difficult examples so that you guys have better understanding. Okay, let's now go to the Shillong. I hope the Shillat is clear to you. Very simple. Let's go to Shillong and let's take some difficult example. I'm gonna take up a back case. So if I have 150 degree 40 minute east, okay, and we are moving towards 179 degree 30 minute east. So guys, see, first of all, always follow what I'm telling you. Now guys, see, you are moving from 150 degree 40 minute east to 179 degree 30 minute east. Now east and east, I have told you, when you have same, what do you do, and when you have different, what do you do? So I have told you, when it is east and east, you subtract, right? So what we will do is we will subtract, and let's see what we get. So let's go to the scientific calculator and we will subtract the 2. So what was it? The one coordinate that was given to us, just a second, let me just go back. Okay, so it was 179 degree, okay, and 30 minute east. Now we will subtract, because east and east we will have to minus 150 degree, and the other was 40 minute. Okay, so 40 minute. So answer will be 28 degree 50 minute. Okay, so let's go back. So guys, see, if you, now this is the back case of the earth, but that does not change the basic concept. Now I have told you guys, it is east and east. So when it is east and east, you just simply minus. So what is your change in longitude? The change in longitude is 28 degree and 50 minutes. But now the question comes that, how, sir, how we will find out the direction? So very simple guys, see, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna teach you one method now. See, I have already told you how to do it, but just to do it quickly and roughly, just simply draw the earth, okay, and then quickly mark up your direction. This is, now we are drawing the back case. So this is north, this is south. Obviously now this is your east and this is your west direction. Now guys, see, 150 degree. Now these are my longitude. So my 150 degree east, now my 150 degree, this one, suppose this one is your 179 degree 30-minute east longitude, and my 150 will be somewhere here, right? This will be my 150 degree 40-minute east. Now guys, now you are moving this way, right? You are moving from the 150 degree 40-minute east to the 179 degree 30-minute east, right? So you are moving which direction, guys? You are moving this way, and I have told you, if you are moving this way and then you are moving towards the east, and if you are moving this way you are moving towards the west. So which direction you are moving, guys? You're moving this way, so this is your east direction. I hope you understand, guys. This is, I know, a bit confusing, but if you stick to the concept, then it will not be difficult for you guys. All I need you to understand is, if you're moving this direction, that will be your east, and if you're moving this direction, this will be your west, whether it is the front case of the earth or whether it is the back case of the earth. All right, guys. Now this was the back case of the earth. Now apart from this, guys, let us just do the mix example. So in the case of mix example, suppose if we are moving from, this is the example, you are moving from 50 degree 31-minute north, 006 degree 30-minute west. This is your x coordinate, and you are going from x to y, and the coordinate of y is 52 degree 00 minute north and 008 degree and 35-minute west. So guys, see, longitude has 3. Why? Because the maximum longitude can be 180 degrees. See, 3 180 degree can be the maximum, because then we have 3 digits. But latitude can maximum be 90 degree north or south. That is why we have only 2 digits. Okay, so now in this case, guys, how to solve this case? You take the latitude difference, so you will calculate the she lat, and you will take longitude different, and then you will calculate the she long, and you will be getting the answer. So let us see. First of all, let us take the north. That is your 50 degree 31-minute north. You are going to 42 degree 00 minute north. So guys, how you are actually moving towards the north, but how many degree you are moving? So I have told you, north and north, simply you just subtract. So when you subtract the two, you will get 1 degree 29-minute north. Use your scientific calculator. Keep your scientific calculator ready when we are doing the numericals, so that it will help you alongside the video. You can solve it. Okay. Now guys, see, you are moving from 006 degree 30-minute west to 008 degree 35-minute west. So I have told you, west and west, simply minus the 2. Okay, and if you minus the 2, you will get 2 degree 5 minute in the west direction. So this one will be your answer. Okay, so guys, this that all the things that I have told you in today video was very basic. Okay, just remember these points: the direction, the back case of the earth. So this was all about your change in latitude and change in longitude. This is the basic stuff, guys. Okay, so if I just go on the top of the video, guys, we have done this one. We have completed this. Okay, back case of the earth and the basic, and I have told you how to use a scientific calculator to calculate your she long and she lat. Now guys, we will be moving towards the very important topic of great circle distance, rhumb distance, and the special cases. Okay, so this would be in the next video. So guys, please revise this. If you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch my previous video to have better understanding of all the topic. If you don't understand anything, please comment in the comment section below, so that I can explain you again. And subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends who are preparing for the DGCA navigation exam. And thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.